where I've come from. Still walking down the path. And this path has become a little stream. Nearly slipped this now. I was passing another guy and I greeted him and I wasn't concentrating. But it's all good. I stabilized, I didn't fall. And if it happens, it happens. But as long as you're in the moment and you concentrate, or me I should be talking to, as long as I focus on the now and not be mind wandering. Looking at everything that I'm doing, absorbing it and enjoying it, then it should be fine. Even if there is a slippery spot, it'll be a lot easier if you focused on it to rectify and not to fall. This looks amazing. That moss that's being swept down, combed like that by the water. This is very quickly slippery. Yep, careful. Okay. Gotta walk in the water to a certain extent, unfortunately. Well, it's fine, I've got boots on, so it's not unfortunate. It's actually a blessing in this water. Oh, look at this. Making its own soap suds there. And it goes off. Still a bit of a stream in this path. My shadows there. Oh, it's beautiful. The way this water is running looks totally incredible. Okay. Let's adjust this slightly. I'll still get my shadow in, but it's the best view I can give you at the moment. And I'm holding this M6 gimbal on the tripod, so making it a bit of a longer stick. Which means I can get it lower with just normal walking. I'll change to my right hand. I'm left-handed, but the right hand, especially if I keep it on the side, I can keep the shadow, my shadow, out of the picture most of the time. Okay, I'm going to stop now.